Hey everyone, please subscribe this Vicky Tech channel and tap on the bell icon to receive the further notifications. So guys, in this video, I want to show you something that is called when we start up the Windows. So there was some applications who was also starting with the Windows. So I want to show you how to turn off the startup application because it will impact on the booting time. So for that, I was going to do this. So whenever you open the computer, you have seen that. Now you guys have seen automatically the Google Chrome and also this one Internet Explorer was turn it on. So I will show you how to disable them. To do that, first of all, I was going to minimize all the apps. So first of all, we need to go to the taskbar. In the taskbar, just double click and we need to select Task Manager. So in Task Manager, we need to select Startup. In Startup, we need to select the app which we want to disable. So for example, the Google Chrome. Have you seen the Google Chrome was disabled status? But even though the Google Chrome was turning on, so for that you need to go to the Google Chrome and you need to choose the settings. After in settings, you need to go for the advanced options. In advanced option, you need to go there. I have seen in advanced option there was the option called system. So in system there was the option, the first option we need to disable it because you have continue running background app when the Chrome is closed. So that's why we need to disable this application and we need to click on the close. That's it. And whereas internet is also disabled here, but still the internet was working. So for that we need to go to the Internet Explorer settings. In Internet Explorer settings, we need to go to the system. So in system, we need to disable this option again. So hence, by doing like this, these browsers won't turn on automatically. And also guys, if you wish, you can select any program which you want to disable and click on the bottom disable, then the app will disable like this. But I want this app enabled, so Real Tech HD, so I was going to turn it on. I hope this will be helpful for you because by opening like this, it will impact on the system booting time, so hence it's better to clean them like this. Please subscribe to the channel and tap on the bell icon to receive the further notification. Thank you guys, see you very soon, take care.